In this video, I expose the big lie about make money online systems. This is a warning to all of those trying to make more money. Whether you are in network marketing, affiliate marketing, or really any online business at all, this is information you absolutely need, so stick with me till the end. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, coming to you again from our home here on beautiful Loon Lake up in the Adirondacks. And I've been making money online on a full-time basis almost since the start of the internet. And I've done both network marketing and affiliate marketing. Over the years, I've used and relied on a number of systems and tools, especially sales funnels, email autoresponders, and lead generation. However, there are too many so-called systems being promoted that are just not that good. Some, they're flat out awful. Well, I'm convinced that they are being promoted more for the income that the affiliate program tied to them can bring in, rather than for the value that they can contribute to your money-making efforts. So there, you've been warned. Let me share a couple examples of what I'm talking about so you know what to look out for. The first example would be that so-called leads program, where you get a volume of leads each day and use their mailer to mail to them. I tried it twice. The leads were terrible. So bad that if you were to copy and paste those leads into an excellent email autoresponder like GetResponse or Aweber, you would risk getting shut down. Yet I keep seeing glowing reviews. It's just amazing what some people will do to earn a commission. Another example would be one of those sales funnels that are tied to an underperforming email autoresponder. You can't use the autoresponder you already use. You have to use theirs. The thing you were selling is that system and autoresponder, and with crummy email performance, good luck with that too. Several years ago, that's what drew me to what has been my top recommendation for some time now. It's a company that offers the tools, the training, the system, if you will, to build any good business online, any business at all, even if it's a traditional brick and mortar storefront type of business that's looking to expand online. I've had people already focused and successful in other businesses join me just for the tools and training. They're that good. My favorite tool is our funnel builder tool. With it, you can quickly and easily create landing pages, sales pages, membership sites, and more. It's easier to use than the big name funnel builder, and it costs far less. It comes with the best training in the make money online industry, a terrific training website with dozens of how-to videos, live interactive training calls on Zoom daily, and recorded if you can't be there live, where you can learn from superstars in the making money online industry. And there is also a great Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions. You will love being part of our online community. And again, all of this is to help build any business online, not just this one. Yes, it has a terrific affiliate program tied to it. It is my number one suggested income stream for all experience levels of marketers. But again, the tools and training help build any good business. And when you join us, I will be your personal mentor and coach. You can take advantage of my decades of experience. I will share everything that has helped us and our team be hugely successful no matter what business you are building. To learn more and avoid the big lie about make money online systems, take our online tour at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.